I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Vetericyn Plus spray. So I use this. This is an antimicrobial spray for animals. It's a veterinary product, and they show different animals: dogs, cats, horses, goats. I actually use it on my backyard chickens, though. And it's a good product to put on if they get any kind of a little cut or scrape, something that doesn't necessarily warrant more concerns, but they say here cuts, abrasions, sores, skin irritations. And what I use it for in particular is if they injure their feet. Chickens often scratch around and they might get a little cut on their foot. And if that happens, then it can prompt other chickens to peck at that area or for them to peck at it themselves, which can cause issues. So I like to use this Vetericyn Plus spray it on there. It tends to help with the healing, make sure that you do your best to avoid infections there. And I find that it's really easy because you just grab the chicken and you can use the spray bottle here to get that area, spray it a couple of times a week, and so far it's all healed up fine when I do that. So a really good antimicrobial spray to use in my case on chickens. I think again though other people use them for the other animals shown here.